How to fix the mobile data not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down, click on connections, click on mobile network, click on network mode. Here you will see LTE preferred, 3G preferred, 5G preferred. Now click on 5G preferred. Now go back to the home screen. Second method, swipe down, open quick setting panel, turn off mobile data, turn on mobile data, go back to the home screen. Third method, click on settings, scroll down, click on general management, scroll down, click on reset, scroll down, click on reset mobile network settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, mobile network settings will be reset from your phone. Fourth method, swipe down, open quick setting panel, click on power off button icon. Here you will see reset option. Click on reset. Again click on reset your phone. This is how you can fix the mobile data not working in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.